What's up, y'all? Oh, that water went out of our yard. Yeah. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. Deep now. So man, well, I was that high. Well, think about going to that ditch today, tomorrow. Just letting it go down a little. There's the dog.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yucca doggy. Yes, you are.
What up? Yeah. Yup. Yep. Riding in the basketball court right now. Yeah. What up? You guys doing good out there? I'm doing good anyway. So guys, you guys go to church? Yeah. Yep, I know. Yeah. What up? Yeah. I'm doing good. How about you guys? Besides just being a little cold out. Yeah. I'm doing good. The last video, no, the second, you should check on my videos I did yesterday. To put in the comments what you need to watch that video and put something in it. Put like hi, put like do something, do a wheelie or something. Maybe I should do a wheelie today. Can't talk about it. You know, it makes my chain loose when I do a wheelie. Yeah. I'm doing good. Thinking about going to a mode. Don't know. Yeah. I didn't go to church today because I went to my uncle's. Well, he ain't doing good. He is, but he ain't. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah. need gets deeper and deeper and deeper. Yeah. If you guys went to church, comment yes. If you didn't go, but no. If you go to if you live around the church you live, like your parents take you to it and stuff. But yeah, if you don't, then put yeah. Yeah. What's up? Oh. Okay. Bye. You want me to make a video? Say, make another video today.